flatten it out first. Fold it in half. Fold it into thirds. Now, sometimes students like to fold it in half first to find the middle. Open it up. Now I have a crease. The folding it in thirds part, when you fold one side up, you want the top always to align. So I'm going to fold this up. The top's aligning. I'm going to keep going, keeping my point, my corner here, past the halfway point, and I want to see that I have a pie shape here that is about the same size as the pie shape left over here. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to take this end and fold it on top. So it's like I'm making a burrito. Left folds over, right folds over top, and it should line up or close to line up on that edge. So now I've folded my snowflake into thirds. I'm going to do one more fold, and that's just folding it in half into sixths. To fold it in half, I really want to keep that corner, that point, really pointy. So I just make sure I hold that and start to fold it almost like you're having a slice of pizza. You're folding a slice of pizza. And line those sides up and fold it nice and flat. Now I can begin making my cut.